Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this 2013 Lexus CT200H, and I'm just going to show you how to replace the rear wiper blade here. If you can see this one, it's broken. So I've got the replacement just up here, and I had to dry the car a little bit here because it's raining as always. So this is a new blade here, and it's one of these. It's a Bosch rear H200, and it's a 8-inch blade. So it's quite a small little thing. It just fits in there like so. So basically, to remove this one, if you swing it open like that and swing it a little bit more, it will basically sort of unhook, and then you can just take it, slide it out like that. So the way to fit the new one is pretty much the reversal of removal, so it's gotta be at a bit of an angle there. And because otherwise you won't be able to fit it, it has to go into this, in this hole. This bit has to go in there, and then you swing it back and clip it back on, basically like so, and put it down. So that's pretty much it. Not really a difficult one. It just swings and clip it, take it out, slide it out, and fit the new one in. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thanks for watching.